and that is music. I can write, I can compose, I can transpose, I can transcribe, I can write tabs, notation, I can read and write sheet music, and I have a fundamental understanding of how music works. From the chromatic scales, the diatonic scales, pentatonic scales, major, minor, diminished or augmented, triads, intervals. I have a sense of how chords are constructed, how the intervals are set apart, major, first to the fifth, minor, diminished, augmented. I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or a sus2. This is no longer a cross-disciplinary. This is discussing music independently, how to build chords, how to play